Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the keyboard has charge or is on a cable, because intermittent power breaks pairing. Put the Apple keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode until the LED flashes so Windows can detect it. On your PC Open settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and pick Add Device, then Bluetooth. This is the critical first handshake. You do it now to let Windows discover the keyboard and start the driver negotiation that follows. Once the keyboard appears, select its name and click Pair. You should see a connecting message, and then Windows will install drivers. If pairing stalls, go to Device Manager, expand Bluetooth and Human Interface Devices, right-click the keyboard entry and update driver automatically. This forces Windows to fetch compatible HID and Bluetooth stacks. If function keys or media keys do not work, install Boot Camp or Apple Wireless Keyboard. You finish by testing typing, modifiers, and layout. Change keyboard layout in time and language if keys are swapped. Adjust repeat rate and delay in keyboard settings so typing feels natural, and consider a remapping tool for special Apple key behavior. If connectivity remains unreliable, restart Bluetooth or toggle airplane mode to reset adapters, and try pairing with the keyboard connected by Lightning/USB. Windows will then often accept it and complete driver installation. That cable trick fixes many stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.